started this channel on April 13th, 2023, and on August 19th, 2023, 4 months later, it got monetized and I made my first dollar on this channel while still going to high school. In this video, I will show you how I did this and how much money I made so far with a small channel that has only 3,000 subscribers. To make things clear, this is not my first channel. I also have a channel in my native language with over 100,000 subscribers, as you can see the play button here. So I do have some knowledge and experience in growing a YouTube channel. Plus, I have a book about YouTube channel development and monetization where I also share my own experiences and knowledge that I accumulated over the years after growing my main channel to over 100,000 subscribers. The link for the book is in the description, so if you want, you can check it out. And my other channel is also in the finance niche, so I thought I should start a new channel in the finance niche, but this time in English. And basically that's how I chose my niche. Then to get monetized, I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. But I achieved it with 4,000 hours of watch time. And to make it more understandable, 4,000 hours of watch time means you need to get 240,000 views on a 10-minute long video, and everyone should watch the video till the end. And then that makes 4,000 hours of watch time. And I achieved that in 4 months. I'm not bragging. There are people out there that do this in a week, in a month. So 4 months, it's not like the world record or something, but I think it's still good. Now, if you check this channel's first video, you can see that it got almost 100,000 views from the very first video. Coincidence? Luck? I don't think so. After growing a channel to over 100,000 subscribers, I already knew that challenge-style videos tend to get attraction. Why? I mean, if I had to guess, I would say that viewers get the knowledge in a fun way where you experiment, you challenge yourself with a deadline, you create curiosity, like are you gonna achieve this goal or not, basically whether you're gonna succeed or not, and in the meantime they see the whole process from start to finish, everything that you do in the meantime and how you get results or if you get results or not. Plus, when I published this video, my first video, there was a lot of demand on YouTube automation, and I knew that, so it was the perfect time to create a challenge video on the YouTube automation topic. And as you can see, it turned out pretty well, didn't it? And here is where the strong mentality part comes in. When you see your first video blow up, getting almost 100,000 subscribers, you think that all the videos will get that, the next videos will get that same result as well. Or maybe even better, like if this one got 100,000, the next video will get like maybe 200,000 views. You know, that's not the case. They might, but not always. Because YouTube lately has started pushing small creators more and more, and that's why you can get 100,000 views from your very first video, or even millions of views from your very first video, if it's good. But if you're gonna be a creator, you should know that not every video is gonna be a viral video. Just keep posting, be consistent, and always improve the quality of your videos. Now, how much money did I make from this channel so far? Actually, here's the funny part. After monetizing this channel, I wasn't really that active on the channel and I uploaded very few videos. After monetizing this channel, there was a wildfire where I lived, so I guess you can guess I wasn't in the mood or in the situation. Like, it wasn't possible for me to make videos. Like, we had to get away from fire. Like, I had to move out from my parents' house for university and even move out to a new country. So I had a lot going on and there was no time for me to actually sit down and make videos for this channel. However, there were some older videos that were still doing good. Like even today, as you can see, they are still getting views. So if we come to the revenue part and choose lifetime, you can see my channel has generated $235 so far. Like $50 on average per month. I know this isn't a good amount. It's like nothing for some people, even for me to be honest. But as you can see, my last video was published like 2 days ago from shooting this video, but before that, it was on October 1, 2023, like over 3 months. Like I didn't upload for over 3 months. From now on, I will be posting more videos on this channel because I see a huge potential on this channel. And as you might know, finance channel on YouTube pay the most. They have the highest RPM rates, meaning that you can actually make a lot more money with ad revenue from other niches without needing as many views. With some simple math, a finance channel gets around $10 to $15 RPM on average. This means that a finance channel makes $10 to $15 for every 1,000 views that they get. So getting 100,000 views in a month means you make $1,000 to $1,500 per month just from the YouTube ad revenue. In my opinion, that's just great. With only 100,000 views, that much money is pretty good. And I'm saying only 100,000 views because, like as I said earlier, I also have a channel with over 100,000 subscribers and that channel gets 300,000 views per month on average with long form videos. That's around $3,000 to $4,500 per month. But I'm not making that much money with ad revenue from my other channel because it's not in English. English videos have higher RPM rates. So on my other YouTube channel, even if it's like finance channel, I don't have a $10 to $15 RPM rate. It's a lot lower than that. So that's why an English channel is way more profitable. we can say. Anyway, that's basically my story with this channel, which is still pretty new, and there will be coming some pretty good videos in the future. But anyway, if you want to start your own YouTube channel, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I also have a book about that by YouTube channel development and monetization. So if you want to check it out, the link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next videos. So bye bye.